How to remove your favorite spotlights on Snapchat. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily remove favorite spotlights on your Snapchat application. So first thing, just head over to your Snapchat and just click on this profile icon at the top left corner, and once you're inside here, scroll all the way down until you see this option called Spotlight Favorites and Repost. So just tap on it, and from over here you can see all of your favorite sports lights. So basically, to remove it, what you can do is just tap on that particular option just like this. Let me just quiet down the music, and to remove it, just click on this unlike button over here, just unlike it and just come back, and let me just refresh it, and as you can see, that particular video has been gone. And just like that you can easily remove your favorite spotlights on Snapchat. So you can do the same process, apply the same process for all the videos like this as well. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.